Don't come back. We've been they talk about something behind the scene. I tell you now, one day we'll go record all the things that they happen behind the scene and we'll go sound sham to now. So that's
go see my own talk.
Don't worry, I will catch you
I'll
on
blow
our way.
my own come out.
I will blow my own comments.
All right, so my people, you still get opportunity. Chook mouth on top of what we don't talk about today. Go on top Twitter. Go on top of Facebook at Wazobia TVNG for Facebook, at Wazobia for Twitter. Go talk waiting concern you for there. You feel say the woman we carry fire burn her pikin private area. Sake of say the girl late come back from school. Or the driver we plan to kidnap him, madam, collect 1.2 million naira kidnap she and her sister and the house help based on say if you say she did maltreat him. Or you want to talk about the house help we send Oga SMS. Tell am say hope say he reach where they go lie or at Alafia, but she dream say she self join them for America
plus her sister.
All right, so we last story for today before we go move to the next level. This matter annoy me small, but it no annoy me too much because sometimes, because of pressure to get married, you go configure do things way you no supposed to. All right, this one, she be 32 years old. Her name na Hannah. What's happened to her? She say whether she go come out now, can't tell the whole wild world, say pastor touchlight her. When I feel say me she talk am, make I read the story before when I go fit answer this one. All right, she say her name now Hannah and she be 32 years old. She dey search for husband. She dey pray seriously. Now one of her friend introduced her to one dubious pastor. That's 419. She said they introduced her to this pastor and the pastor said they go do deliverance for her. As she come meet the pastor open up everything about her life, why her relationships no dey work out and why she dey struggle to fit keep men and to fit men today into relationship with her. She said she believe him because he still use the word of God to back up everything where he tell her.
No, so
he can talk say she go do deliverance, she go do fasting and prayer, and also after then say they go to move on her process now gradual because the matter not just happened to her one day. She said she believe her and she don't do the church, do the fasting and the prayer. Say at the end of the second day where she go end the 7 days prayer, now the man come to say go give her spiritual bath in the night. She said when the man tell her say she pull her clothes, she first no accept him. But at a point she just say if I don't come this far, why not accept the whole package? At least I don't come pray, I don't fast, I don't do here for 7 days. Why I go they doubt the whole matter? So now she don't come stay there. It can't reach time to bath. She pull her clothes. She said the only thing where she know say the man won't bath her. Now she know the next thing where she go wake up, she see the man on top of her. Aside say he collects money for her for the things where he say they want buy take do the prayers, he still touchlight her. Say whether may she come out, can't touch, tell the whole world, say see waiting happen. When I feel my ladies. Say get some things where you need to just forget about, leave them secret, or may she share them to help somebody.
No, she should share it.
All right. How she go take start? If now you, how you go take start them?
You know what I mean? Tell you don't miss for him body, but make you not even reach him. But the fact say she talks, says then they bat him, and then the next thing she herself they lie down. That means she no consciously do he do something. Some of these people when they go meet for prayers, it gets where they go get power from. Person go just touch you, but this part go miss or something. So this one a serious rape issue. Number one, if she no talk, the man go they continue to do. Who knows how many people he don't do before her?
Yeah.
Now that one they pay me the most. She knows say something wrong. Sometimes they say I've done it before, I'll get away with it. His time is coming, she should shout, let us know. And since she knows say it is there, for goodness sake at 32, person when reach that she don't get sense. I know say she get her place to blame, say she dey find husband. Husband, they everywhere, they know they everywhere. Get her, you go meet, guess I know meet. So if they marry at 50, they know die. Some not even marry at all, they even better pass everywhere when they marry.
Yeah.
Maybe no lie upon that matter. So may she talk. NGOs, if you don't know them plenty. The people, former Mr. Nigeria, something gets one NGO. Ezine, the lawyer, former Miss Botifuka Nigeria, be waiting. She get NGO. They don't come out and don't enlighten people. Please make she talk. Police is your friend. Police is your friend. They will help you in that matter. Although some people they say something's not right, police they will help you.
You know when this police. Na joke. I don't be comedian. But when they talk, they say you get one time. Although they use an act film anyway. You got one time where they rape one girl and so that the girl shall date tata, then she be tata, but then every time they rape and now she run go police station.
Police station.
Go to the say straight to the demon. And the policeman ask her say you self stay there made them rape you. Emma, when they watch the film, when they watch it, be like,
what is this one talk?
Exactly.
Are you
Just
serious?
slap the man for that place. Second class say, hey, oh yeah, take paper, write statement. I say, maybe if I even ask the girl, it's a kind of questions they relate to
Yeah,
the
because
rape.
he no understand the rape. Maybe they don't
Relate
train
to
and
the
reach
rape.
raping department.
Can't talk without
No,
one.
serious.
No, there's counseling, there's training for that.
I bet when I leave that matter for Matthias. The cocoa of this one, I say the girl. I go look and see the girl. They very desperate. Number
Okay.
one. And once you dey very desperate,
You go see what
you
they
go
look
see
for.
as in,
That one, I'm sure. I
you must
agree.
definitely meet Sam. I don't even want to look into the matter too much. I could just say the girl is very desperate. Because if you say your mind just there at rest. If some people never marry at 40, then I'm not saying maybe they categorize yourself with them, but at 40 and they still believe say they go still marry.
Still marry.
They still get
I don't go
Still
like 3
give-
or 4 weddings of one she did 39, one day 42, the other one day 40.
and they still believe say they go.
Yes, and
finally
all of them born children. All of them born children. Yes, I understand. Say the journey of getting the children no dey easy. Like somebody where they 18 or 25,
Yeah,
we get belly.
compared to
Yes,
30,
because body
30
don't
and
come
above.
strong, but still they still get husband.
Yes.
So like I still go with what you talk. I go with what how I talk too. You must not be desperate enough to go put yourself inside. Yes, some men of God say we don't even know which one be which.
don't know who be who.
And me, I believe in say I sabi pray myself and God dey answer me. Sometimes I go dey bathroom, I go pray over something. You don't need to dey hear me dey shout. I don't even sabi all those kind of prayer because I know say God will create me, understand my kind of system. He know as my body dey be, so I no fit do the shouting. I go talk am as it's supposed to be. All right, so my people, we don't talk about all the stories we will get for you today. We don't tell you, say, the first one, the driver away plan to kidnap in Madame. The second one, the girl where her mama beat her. And the third one, the girl will send message
Text
to
message.
her Oga husband.
Oga, how are you?
And now we don't tell you about the girls. All these stories, why would they talk on? Because today in our family day, we need to choke them out. Sometimes families, they push you into all those things. Now, look about this girl now. If you be say for her, maybe her younger ones don't marry, and the pressure of make she
When will
marry.
you bring
When will you
husband?
marry?
Your mate, or when she want talk for meeting, you say,
Then
Oyana.
don't join meeting about
Don't
this.
join. No, not
Okay,
as
the
a
mom.
family meeting
Yes.
now. Who are you? Where's your husband? You cannot
Yes.
put mouth in this matter.
But 32, you know too far. You know far.
To you, some
Just-
people they once at 25, they're under serious matter.
Yeah, I know. I know somebody where they are at
26,
26
they
now.
clock 20.
She did very, very, very pressured. All right, my people, we don't talk as we fit talk today on top of the stories what we get for you. When I don't say like I talk, me na queen of every, I don't bring gonna.
When you hype yourself, finish.
Moku
Tell
here
us,
because
eh,
we need to take this so everybody
I want
go
my takeaway pack.
healthy smoothie. Now we
Take away
get for
pack.
you today.
Pimbi. Where's my smoothie?
You want take away pack? All right, so my people, we don't come on top of talk, and you know, saying Queen B, they bring you all those things where you're supposed to know. Today on top of body kajad, what will they bring? Come give you now green smoothie. Yes, green smoothie. If you want to lose weight, what's in there inside your plate? They're very, very important after you don't go gym, come back. And like I talk, I say everything green, but we get one when it'll be green. If you want to make smoothie, it's either you add milk or you add yogurt. But today, because now for Weight Watchers, now we they do this one for, we just want to use banana. And some people talk say, banana no good when you they watch weight. I tell you, banana they very important. You know why? Because it go full your stomach all through the day. To make smoothie, no, they're very difficult. You need your ice, and also we cucumber. These small ones, they're very crunchy. They're very crunchy. Carry plenty water inside. And also we get avocado. Then we get small lime. Yes, you know, as Nigerians now, we need sweet and sour. Everything will go together. And also the cocoa of the day for me, now chia seed. According to researchers, where they watch people where they lose weight, then talk say chia seed they're very, very important. What you guys to do, if you soak them inside water, before 2 minutes, it go down rise and everything go there as it's supposed to. So chia seed too, they're very important. If you feel buy them, go make you go buy them. Then the thing where you need again, now your blender. When you they make smoothie, you need your blender. Make sure say no be the one where you they take ground pepper. Now you want to take one because the taste go change for your mouth. All right, first thing first, you got to Open up your bag, but no packed banana put inside. No. You know say banana they sweet, but you don't need the one where go plenty inside. At least 2 don't they okay for the day. 2 go they okay. Get this type. Then the next one is you go put this one. I won't try do as professional as they do. They cut everything together. So make I remove the head together, and as you see, the water full inside. All right. Now you pack everything, put inside your blender. Okay, now you see how they struggle with my avocado. Some of the avocado, they're very soft and some they're very hard. I will use this one as my scooper. They scoop everything inside. Put okay, see with lime. If you get green one like this, you know sometimes you know they get water immediately. So what you go do? Roll them like this. And when I cut them, you go see what thing go happen now. See the water don't they drop. So just put small. Now the cocoa of the day, your ice. This ice is important too because now it will help you hold the smoothie together. Everything will hold together. All right, everything done complete inside. Both we ice cube, the avocado, the cucumber, the banana, and the small lemon we will put inside. You got a surprise and never still put the chia seed. Calm down. Never day in a hurry. All right. Make I show you the outcome first because we go still put with chia seed. See them. See the color. Everything green. All right, make we go back now. Make we add with chia seed. All right, it depends on how you take like your chia seed. It a whole stomach all day. It go stay for your body. So you don't need to one day chop all those junk. Just get at least 2 spoons. They okay. All right, we go back. We do the same thing where we do before. All right. Okay, like I said, I won't cheat one person here. The thing no complete. Right. Well, we don't do and finish. And I hear now we stop, we bust stop. Green smoothie. Well, if you get any question where you want to ask, if you still ask me, on top of Body Kaja, my own name now can be, ask me anything about smoothie. I go tell you the one way I sabi because me self still they learn. Nobody be professional for here. All right, I could go inside studio, I could go meet the ladies because I know so themselves don't they wait for me to taste them. Now, bye-bye. Ladies want to beef me. Mama,
Hey, every day you do smoothie, you do vegetable. Amaka, have you tasted?
I never even chop anyone.
And you be getting fat like that. Serious, you're not pitying us, teen association of people.
No, but I don't. I they slim down.
I wish that I do share for doing that.
See, let me tell you.
Okay, so how are you want the green smoothie?
I want everything.
The thing be say, I they owe the whole people for this company. One thing we will do for every show.
So you know, oh wow.
So you know, the securities go ask me, where my salad? Uncle's go ask me, where my smoothie? Where my sandwich? Where my this one? Where my that one?
God
But
bless
don't worry.
you, bring 'em.
Maybe for the Christmas period, I will go surprise somebody like,
Like me. Hallelujah. Oh my God.
If you bring something to this place, I will dance.
wow.
Free dancing.
You DM me, right?
Alanta,
Okay,
that's
since now
Alanta.
Christmas time and with a give period, my producer go make provision for him, and maybe you where they watch us out there, you go eat the food, not with this food.
Ah!
When I watch
Yes,
porn.
I'm no chopper. In fact, I want to wake
All
up
right,
of the day.
Amaka, give us any
I
message.
want to wake up of the day. When I throw the cocoa of the day, go just in fact, not just throw it on first. So
What I
I'm
don't
face
smack
to
you.
my back.
Wow.
Yes, my question is this, and that because of the plenty story where we talk today, I just think I say make I just throw this question given her. At what age when I feel say for our Nigeria or Bodo parents, at what age if you say they is enough make them know they use cane to dey flog their children. You don't do, don't use cane again. You don't do what age? Say this pikin, oh, you don't pass the age of caning. At what age if you say they stop to the cane their children?
How
I know before una talk, calm down. I don't want to hear your voice. So before una talk, I say for these people talk, we run enter at Talk Talk Wazobia for Twitter and Talk Talk Wazobia TV for Facebook. Tell us, we want hear at what age you feel say it is okay to they stop to the use cane. In fact, yes, to the stop to the use cane.
Bulala.
Their children. Anything, keno, belto, what's they call this thing?
Koboko.
Tony stick. And all those things where they use cane of very small. At what age you made them stop them? Oh yeah, wait, Hawa.
Could be you're in trouble. To me, I don't think say age go there because different children get different development skills and how they respond. So because this child, you get children when they never beat, they'll come out okay. You get children when they beat, they still come out with tough head. So some you go work for them 12, some 15, some 18. To me, no get to, but me them beat me. I know here when I small. But see me now, I come out from then reset my brain.
My own, they abuse me.
Your mother, Kena.
They abuse me.
Next time, when we go, I go make sure I bring up this thing next time. When we go get person, we go talk on top this matter.
Yes.
Whether,
Counselor.
Yes, counselor. Say that abuse or actually they train that pikin.
Yeah.
So next time, just stay tuned. No come out to UHF Channel 57 Wazobia 1.
Yes.
Talk. This
Free to air, you shall not pay.
Free to air. These faces and some other two faces.
Yeah.
We shall see.
We again say Betiana. Mweli.
The pra
Lady. All right, Mo, go give us 2 tweets or Facebook messages. Moko here before we call this one today. Bye.
Mercy. That my Twitter name I suppose go. Choy.
Because
but
we don't really
they
read
suffer for
messages.
Twitter. My people, we love you so much. Don't worry. We love you plenty. So we are
Michael
there.
Fresh.
Fresh, sorry.
Oh,
Na
Michael
regular customer.
Fresh. This one, hey.
Na grandma
No
ina.
verse, I know if you pronounce your name, so I know go just talk about. Person just tweet say, age no day, age no day. Say na to bring the pikin brain, may he set am. May we set am well, may he come back.
You get some beating with the damage content for Kimberly. Yeah.
Other person say at age of 5.
Eh?
At the age of 5.
At the age of 5. In fact, it don't do. It don't do that.
All right, so my people, if you think say you get a particular age where you think say make parents stop to they use cane, as the Nigerian parents they do, they use cane take beat their children. Make you go on top Twitter, go on top Facebook, make you tell us. But from us here, me, Queen B, Amaka, Mensa Okudiafo, and Hawa Ibrahim Mohammed, we say bye-bye. And as we always say, talk,
Talk, no be bassy, but make you know wetin they talk about.
Wetin you want to talk about. You know when.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we dey carry the